Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last vlog that I posted, I showed you guys that I got this brow lamination kit from Amazon, and in today's video I'm gonna be trying it out. So the kit is called Sarah Beauty. Looks like this. I'm gonna link it below in case you guys want to get it for yourselves. It does come with everything that you need. So it comes with all of these products in here. It also does come with the little instructions kit. So I'm actually a little bit nervous because I've never done this before and I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I wanted to test it out and see. So the first step, it says to thoroughly cleanse your eyebrow using an oil-free makeup remover or cleanser included in kit. There's a cleanser in here. So it does come with a cleanser. It is the first step. So let me apply this. Oh, it's just kind of like a brush. I'm not sure how this is supposed to cleanse my eyebrows, but I guess. I'm gonna wipe that off because it actually left my eyebrows kind of wet. This little kit didn't come in here, but I'm gonna be using the little brush just to brush my brow hairs up. I actually got this on Amazon at the same time, so I'm also gonna link it down below. Now it says to apply the layer of the lifting lotion. So they're actually numbered. If you guys can see, it's actually kind of hard to see because it's like a holographic kind of packaging, but they're all numbered like 1, 2, 3. That way it makes it a little bit easier for you. So it says the first step is to apply the lifting lotion. It also does tell you depending on the type of brow hair that you have. I would say that mine is, I guess I have like normal healthy hair. So it says to leave it on for 9 to 10 minutes. If you have thick hair, 11 to 12 minutes. If you have fine or thin hair, 8 to 9 minutes. So I'm just gonna do the average, which is 9 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna apply this and then cover it with a plastic wrap. Oh, okay, so inside this little box you actually get a brow brush, micro brushes, the lifting pads, and the lifting tool. So I should have actually opened this first. So actually you guys don't even need to get the other little kit that I got because this already brings the brush for you. So the brush, it's just a regular brush, which I kind of don't like, so actually yeah, it's fine. I don't really have anything to place this on right now, so I'm just gonna use the little baggie that I have. I'm gonna do 1 pump if it wants to come out. Okay, so I'm gonna do about that much. It says to use the little tiny brush. It kind of stinks like bleach. Oh my god, I'm scared. And then I'm gonna do the other brow. So after that, it says to cover it with like a plastic wrap. Okay, I set my timer for 9 minutes and I'll be back in 9 minutes. Okay, so my timer went off. It's finally time to take this off. It's actually burning a little tiny bit. It stinks so bad. It says to remove with a dry cotton pad. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna be using a paper towel. Oh my god, my brow hairs are literally stuck together. After that, it says to go in with the fixing lotion, which is step number 2, and repeat it again. So once again, I'm gonna go in with this, put the plastic wrap, and leave it on for 9 minutes. So I'm gonna cover it with a plastic wrap again. Now I got a new plastic wrap and I'm gonna do the same steps, just apply it on and leave it for about, I'm not gonna do 9 minutes this time because I feel like that was too long. I think I'm just gonna do like 7 minutes. Let me put my timer. And now we wait. Okay, so my timer finally went off. So it says to take this off and to use a damp cotton pad, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna be using a baby wipe. Okay, so you just remove it and then you pat dry it. And then with a paper towel, I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry. And then the last step is to add a keratin booster that does come in the kit as well. It says to add it for 5 to 7 days after you do it, morning and night. But honestly, I don't know if I'll remember to do that. So this is what it looks like once I'm done. I do think I want to go in with my scissors and cut it a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with this little tiny razor that I got from Target just to kind of shape my brows a little better. Okay, so overall, I don't think it looks bad. I just think that it's a different style that I'm kind of not used to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back on here tomorrow morning when I do my makeup and show you guys how my brows look with makeup on, because honestly I always kind of hate my brows when I don't have any makeup on them because they're very like sparse. So I'm gonna come back on tomorrow morning when I do have my makeup on and show you guys and give you my final thoughts on it. But also one thing I did want to say is with this kit you can also do a lash lift. So it brings everything to do the lash lift. So I think maybe I might try doing a lash lift. Not today, not right now, but maybe in another video I'll do that. But I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I have my face full beat. Hey guys, so it's actually been a few days since I last recorded the beginning of this video, but I still wanted to hop on here and show you guys really quickly what my brows ended up looking like. So I do like it. The only thing is that it is a different type of vibe. It's more like that fluffy brow kind of vibe, and it's not something that I'm really used to, but I do like it overall. I feel like it was super easy to achieve this, like using the little at-home kit. I mean, of course, the results are probably not going to be like that long lasting, but it's already been like about a week and they look fine. Also, I do have just a tiny bit of brow product on right now, which is the ABH Brow Wiz pencil. But anyways, you guys, so like I already said, if you guys are interested in this kit, I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys try it out. If you do try it out, let me know. Let me see how it comes out. Tag me on Instagram or something. But yeah, it's gonna be in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys would like to see next from me. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.